You are going to love the 2021 Sorento. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, FWD. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.